Hi everyone, today I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you're wondering how to show battery percentage just like here inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon, then simply follow my instructions. All we have to do is to enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to find the notifications and control center. Now let's scroll down again to the status bar. And as you can see right here at the bottom of the status bar section, we've got the battery indicator. So let's tap. And here we've got 3 different options. So we've got only the battery indicator without any percentage. It looks like it. Now we can pick the one which I had set previously, so the percentage is inside the battery icon, or we can set it outside the battery icon right next to it. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use the most, and I will pick this one. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.